Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well and great. So today we would be discussing on how to apply for jobs, nursing jobs in the UK. So for example, once you have passed your English language examination test and you have also passed your nursing computer based test, then is the stage for you to start rolling out your CVs while applying for nursing jobs here in the UK. So you have to do this, you can do this from your home country, wherever you belong to. And the thing that we would like to recommend or we would like to bring under discussion is a job portal which is called tracjobs, and it's a web portal, track.jobs, and it's a centralized system where different nursing opportunities, in fact all of the opportunities are fleecing in and gathering around a centralized portal. And it's easy to use the website. You have to first sign up and register yourself, create your account, make sure that you put in your personal details, mention all your qualifications, all your work experiences, then references for those work experiences. And when you're applying for a particular role, what are the qualities you have to mention, why do you feel like you're a perfect fit for it. So it takes around 20 to 30 minutes to create your account on track.jobs and apply and upload your CV. So it formulates when you're filling in the different questions and when you're answering up and you're filling up the portal, it's actually formalizing your online CV, a digital CV that gets sent into the specific trust that you're applying to. So it's very robust system. It makes you, it's very transparent. It makes you see what are the opportunities and nursing jobs or vacancies available in different trusts all across different states of England and Wales and all across UK actually. So I deeply feel like that one should have an account on track.jobs because it's kind of a direct recruitment with a specific NHS trust, and it makes you get directly recruited in their different cohort groups, in their different badges. And you fly in here as an HCA, then you give your OSCE with that specific trust that offers you the certificate of sponsorship, and once you pass that OSCE you receive your PIN to practice as a registered nurse. So please, there are other options available. There are agencies available that recruit, that take you through the process. But with my experience, what I would highly recommend is to be active on track.jobs because it's like targeting all parts of the UK. And the system is very transparent. They count your experience, they give you opportunities, you will be given interview opportunities, and if you make it, if you show the required eligibility criteria and if you meet the requirements, then you are definitely recruited. So good luck with that. If you have passed your English test and passed your CBT, do get on to track.jobs and apply for your required city where you want to work and settle in and create a future for yourself. So good luck with that. If you have any queries or questions further, you can drop me an email. I'm more than happy to respond back to you. Till then, take care and see you in the next video.